Hello students, this is the sixth lecture for TY BCom students, Business Statistics Paper 3. The name of the topic is Mixed Strategy Games, Principle of Dominance, Examples and Problems. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given below. There are two players. Player A has got 4 strategies. Player B has got 4 strategies. We have to solve the following game. And the payoff matrix is given to us. Now we will write row minima at the side of the table. First row 0 is minimum value. 3, 4, 2, 4. 2 is minimum value. Third row 4, 2, 4, 0. 0 is minimum. 0, 4, 0, 8, 0 is minimum. Now among these minimum values, pick up the maximum. We will write that maximum value as maximin. So put an arrow, write down the maximin value. So 2 is maximin value. After getting maximin value, we will write column maxima at the bottom of the table. So 3, 3, 4, 0, 4 is maximum. 2, 4, 2, 4, 4 is maximum. 4, 2, 4, 0, 4 is maximum. 0, 4, 0, 8, 8 is maximum. Now amongst these maximum values, pick up the minimum value. So 4, 4, 4, these are the minimax values. Maximum value is 2, minimax value is 4. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Therefore, we apply principle of dominance to reduce the matrix into 2 by 2 form. We can see that row A1 is dominated by row A3. So therefore, neglect A3. The reduced matrix is given by A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, and the remaining reduced matrix is given. Now, column B1 is dominated by column B3. So, neglect B1. See, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is equal to 4, and 0 is equal to 0. So, B1 gets neglected. Then, A2, A3, A4, B2, B3, B4. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now, it may be noted that none of the pure strategies of player A and B is inferior to any other. Students. Any of their other strategies. This is the sixth lecture. However, for TY BCom average students, of the profits, business statistics, paper strategies B3 and B4. The name of the topic is Mixed Strategy Games. That is Principle of Dominance 2 plus 4 upon 2, Examples and Problems 4 plus 0 upon 2, and 0 plus 8 upon 2. So that becomes 3, 2, 4. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given below due to strategy B2 of player B. Thus B2 is there are two players from the matrix. Player A has got and the new matrix 4 strategies. So obtained player B has got 4 strategies. B3, B4. Sorry, we have to solve A3, A4 following game. B3, B4. So it's a 2 matrix is given to us. We will solve according to our routine procedure. Row minima at the side of the table. Find the value of P as first row 0 is minimum value minus A2 3, 4 divided by A1 is minimum value plus A22. Third row minus A21 2 minus A4 0. 0 is equal to 8 minus 0 0 8 divided by 4 plus 8 is minimum values. 0 minus pick up the maximum, so it becomes 8 upon 12. That maximum can written as maximum 2 upon 3. So put an arrow. P is 2 upon 3. Write down the maximum value. Value of 1 minus 2 is maximum value. But 1 minus 2 by 3. After getting maximum value 1 by 3. We will write column maximum at the bottom of the table. Write down the formula for Q. A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22. So minus 3, A21 3, minus 4, 0. 4 is maximum. So 8 2, minus 4, 0 4 divided 4 is maximum. 4 plus 8 4, minus 0 minus 0. 4 is maximum. So it becomes 8 upon 0 4 0 8 can be written as 2 upon 3. Now amongst these maximum values, pick up the minimum value. So 1 minus q becomes 1 minus 2 upon 3. These are the minimax values. Maximum values 2. Now, minimax value is to find the value of the game. So v as is equal to maximum is not equal to minimax into a22 minus a21 into a12 divided by it is a mixed strategy game minus a21 minus a1. Therefore, we apply principle of dominance into 4 to reduce the matrix into 2 by 2 4 divided by 4 plus 8 minus 0 minus 0. So answer we can see that 32 upon 12 which can be a1 8 upon 3 dominated by row a3. Therefore, optimal strategies for A is 0. The reduced matrix is given by 2 by 3, a2, a3, a4 and even optimal strategies for B and the remaining reduced matrix is given 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Now, value of column B1 8 upon 3 is dominated is greater than column B3. Therefore, B makes payment so neglect in this case. See 3 is greater than 2, 4 is equal to 4 and 0 is equal to 0. So B1 gets neglected. Then A2, A3, A4, B2, B3, B4. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now it may be noted that none of the pure strategies of player A and B is inferior to any of their other strategies. However, the average of the profits due to strategies B3 and B4, that is 2 plus 4 upon 2, 4 plus 0 upon 2 and 0 plus 8 upon 2. So that becomes 3 to 4 is superior to the payoff due to strategy B2 of player B. Thus B2 is deleted from the matrix and the new matrix is obtained is B3 B4 A3 A4 B3 B4. So it's a 2 by 2 matrix. We will solve according to our routine procedure. Find the value of P as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So that is equal to 8 minus 0 divided by 4 plus 8 minus 0 minus 0. So it becomes 8 upon 12 which can be written as 2 upon 3. Now if value of P is 2 upon 3, value of 1 minus P is nothing but 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now get the value of Q. Write down the formula for Q. A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So 8 minus 0 divided by 4 plus 8 minus 0 minus 0. So it becomes 8 upon 12 which can be written as 2 upon 3. So if value of Q is 2 upon 3, 1 minus Q becomes 1 minus 2 upon 3 which is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we have to find the value of the game. V is equal to A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So 8 into 4 minus 0 into 0 divided by 4 plus 8 minus 0 minus 0. So answer is 32 upon 12 which can be written as 8 upon 3. Therefore, optimal strategies for A is 0, 0, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and optimal strategies for B is 0, 0, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Value of the game is 8 upon 3 which is greater than 0. Therefore, B makes payment to A in this game. Next example. Determine the optimal strategies of both the players and find the value of the game. For player A, the strategies are A, B, C, D. For player B, there are 4 strategies 1, 2, 3, 4 and the payoff matrix is given. Now row A is dominated by row B. See, 2 is less than 6, minus 2 is less than 1, 4 is less than 12, 1 is less than 3. So A is dominated by B. Therefore, neglect row A. Row D is dominated by row B. 2 minus 2 is less than 6, minus 3 is less than 1, 7 is less than 12, and 1 is less than 3. Therefore, row D is dominated by row B. Therefore, neglect row D. Therefore, the reduced matrix is given by B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the resultant values are also given. Now, we will compare column wise. Column 3 is dominated by column 2. Therefore, neglect column 3. Column 4 is dominated by column 2. Therefore, neglect column 4. Therefore, the resultant matrix becomes B, C, 1 and 2. Value of P is calculated as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which can be written as 2 minus of minus 3 divided by 6 plus 2 minus of minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 6 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 5 by 10. So we can write the answer as 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 minus P becomes 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So formula for Q is written as A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 6 plus 2 minus of minus 3 minus 1. So it becomes 1 by 10. So 1 minus Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 9 by 10. And value of the game is given by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which is nothing but 6 into 2 minus 3 into 1 divided by 6 plus 2 minus of minus 3 minus 1. So the final answer is 12 plus 3 upon 10, which can be considered as 15 upon 10, which is nothing but 3 by 2, which is greater than 0. Therefore, optimal strategies for A is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. And optimal strategies for B is 1 by 10, 9 by 10, 0, 0. Value of the game is 1.5, which is greater than 0. Therefore, B will make payment to A in this game. Next example, solve the following game. Player A has got 3 strategies, A1, A2, A3. Player B has got 3 strategies, B1, B2, B3. And the payoff matrix is given. So first of all, we will check whether saddle point exists or not. So write down row minima at the side of the table. Find out minimum value from first row, 1 is minimum. From second row, 2 is minimum. From third row, 1 is minimum. Now among these minimums, pick up the maximum value and call that value as maximin. So we will put an arrow in front of maximin value. So 2 becomes maximin value. Now write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. 1, 6, 5, maximum value is 6. 7, 2, 1, maximum value is 7. 2, 7, 6, maximum value is 7. Amongst these maximums, pick up the minimum value. Call that value as minimax. So 6 is minimax and 2 is maximin. As maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Therefore, we will reduce the matrix by principle of dominance. Row A3 is dominated by row A2. Therefore, neglect row A3. So reduced matrix can be written as A1, A2, B1, B2, B3. Now compare column wise. Column B3 is dominated by column B1. Therefore, neglect column B3. Therefore, the resultant matrix becomes A1, A2, B1, B2. Value of P can be calculated as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which is equal to 2 minus 6 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 6 minus 7, which is nothing but minus 4 upon minus 10, which is equal to 2 by 5. So value of 1 minus P can be written as 1 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Now find the value of Q. Q is nothing but A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values. Q is equal to 2 minus 7 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 5 upon minus 10, which can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 minus Q also be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 is also 1 by 2. Value of the game V is equal to A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values. We get the answer as 1 into 2 minus 6 into 7 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 6 minus 7, which is equal to 2 minus 42 divided by minus 10. So which can be written as minus 40 upon minus 10, which is equal to 4. Optimal strategies for A is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 0. Optimal strategies for B is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Value of the game is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. Therefore, B will make payment to A in this game. Next example. Two firms are competing for business under the conditions so that one firm's gain is another firm's loss. Firm A's payoff matrix is given below. For firm A, the strategies are no advertising, medium advertising, heavy advertising. For firm B also there are 3 strategies: no advertising, medium advertising, heavy advertising. And the matrix is given. Suggest optimum strategies for the 2 firms and net outcome thereof. So we will rewrite the matrix as it is. We will check whether the saddle point exists or not. So row minima we will find 10, 5, minus 2 is minimum, 13, 12, 15, 12 is minimum, 16, 14, 10 is minimum. Among these minimum, see the maximum value, call that value is maximin. So maximum value is 12. After getting the maximin value, we find column maxima 10, 13, 16, maximum value is 16, 5, 12, 14, maximum value is 14, minus 2, 15, 10, 15 becomes maximum. Now amongst the maximums, find the minimum value, call the value as minimax. So 14 is minimax and 12 is maximin. As maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Therefore, we have to reduce the matrix to 2 by 2 by principle of dominance. Row R1 is dominated by row R2. So, therefore, neglect row R1. The reduced matrix becomes 13, 16, 12, 14, 15, 10. Now, column C1 is dominated by column C2. Therefore, neglect column C1. So, it becomes a 2 by 2 matrix. So, we will solve the matrix by our routine procedure. To find the value of P, we will write the formula as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which is nothing but 10 minus 14 upon 12 plus 10 minus 14 minus 15. So answer is minus 4 upon minus 7, which can be considered as 4 by 7. So 1 minus P is calculated as 1 minus 4 by 7, which is equal to 3 by 7. Therefore, optimal strategies for A is 0, 4 by 7, 3 by 7. Now write down the formula for Q. A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So this is nothing but 10 minus 15 upon 12 plus 10 minus 14 minus 15, which is equal to minus 5 upon minus 7, so which can be written as 5 upon 7. 1 minus Q is calculated as 1 minus 5 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7. So the optimal strategies for P is 0, 5 by 7, 2 by 7. And value of the game can be calculated as A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values. We are getting the answer as 12 into 10 minus 14 into 15 divided by 12 plus 10 minus 14 minus 15. So after the addition and multiplication, the values becomes 120 minus 210 divided by minus 7, which is written as minus 90 upon minus 7, which is equal to 90 upon 7. So the value is positive. This means that this would result in a maximum gain of 12.85% to firm A. Thus, firm B will lose 12.85%. Firm B will lose 12.85%. In a small town, there are only two stores that handle sundry goods, Kohinoor and Akash. The total number of customers are equally divided between the two because the price and quality are equal. Price and quality are equal. Both the stores have a reputation in the community for the equally good services they render. Assume that a gain of customer by Kohinoor is a loss to Akash and vice versa. Both stores plan to run a pre-Diwali sale during first week of October. Sales are advertised through local press, radio and cable TV with the aid of an advertising firm. Kohinoor has estimated its percentage market gain as a payoff matrix given below. So Kohinoor matrix is given by local press, radio, cable TV. For Akash also local press, radio and cable TV. And the matrix is given here. Determine the optimum strategies and the worth of them for both Kohinoor and Akash. Now let us see the solution. Let us check the matrix for saddle point. Local press, radio, cable TV. Local press, radio, cable TV. We'll rewrite the matrix. We'll find row minima. So minus 80 is the minimum value from first row. Minus 20 is the minimum value from the second row. And 20 is the minimum value from the third row. Now write down column maxima. 30, 0, 90. So 90 is maximum. 40, 15, 20. 40 is maximum. Minus 80, 20, 50. 50 is maximum. So in minimum we are finding out the maximum. We call the value as maximin. So 20 is maximin and 40 is minimax. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, the game has no saddle point. Hence it is a mixed strategy game. Therefore, we'll reduce the matrix by principle of dominance. So as all elements in row 2 are less than or equal to less than corresponding element in row 3. Hence, neglect R2 to get the reduced matrix as. So one row is less here. Now we will compare all elements in column 1 is greater than corresponding elements in column 3. So neglect column 1. So the reduced matrix becomes LP, CT and RD and CT. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. Find the value of P as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which can be written as 50 minus 20 divided by 40 plus 50 minus 20 minus of minus 80. So answer becomes 30 by 150 which is equal to 1 by 5. So therefore probability of Kohinoor using strategy 1 is 20%. And 1 minus P becomes 1 minus 1 by 5 which is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore probability of Kohinoor using strategy 2 is 80%. Now we'll find value of Q as A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So which is equal to 50 minus of minus 80 divided by 40 plus 50 minus 20 minus of minus 80, which is nothing but 86.67. Therefore, probability of Akash using strategy RD is 86.67% and 1 minus Q is equal to 13.33. Therefore, probability of Akash using strategy 2, that is cable TV, is 13.33%. And value of the game is given by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which if we solve this further, we are getting the answer as 3600 divided by 150, which is equal to 24. Hence, optimal strategies for Kohinoor is 20%, 0, 80%, and optimal strategies for Akash is 0%, 86.67%, and 13.33%. This would result in a maximum gain of 24% market share to Kohinoor and a minimum loss of 24% market share for Akash. Thus, Akash will lose 24% market share to Kohinoor.